PhpStorm has long been known as the go-to IDE for PHP. But let's be honest, for years, one of its biggest gaps was Laravel.
PhpStorm users turned to the Laravel Idea plugin, created by Adel Faizrakhmanov. With over 1.7 million downloads, it became the top-selling community plugin on JetBrains marketplace ever. Earlier this year, we collaborated with Adel to make it free for everyone.
Breaking news right here on Laravel News. JetBrains just announced free Laravel support.
For a framework this important, native support was long overdue.
Time and time again on social media and at conferences, during live streams, one request came up: built-in Laravel support in PhpStorm.
I first met Adel in 2019 at Laravel EU in Amsterdam. He told me back then that he wanted to build a plugin. Within the PhpStorm team, we thought that was a great idea, pun intended, and we supported Adel from day one.
When I first thought of building the Laravel Idea plugin, it was about solving the pain points I faced as a developer. Once I met Roman at a conference, we validated them and I dove into development with technical support from JetBrains. It quickly became my full-time job.
We were already thinking about how to add out-of-the-box Laravel support back in 2020. It's been on our roadmap ever since, but it hasn't been easy to implement. We ultimately decided that bundling the plugin that people loved was the best approach.
From the outside, it might look simple, just bundle the plugin into PhpStorm and ship it, but technically it was a complex challenge. The Laravel Idea plugin had been evolving independently for years with its own release cycle and architecture. We had to ensure quality, security, binary compatibility, and many other technical aspects to make sure the user experience was flawless.
Making it free was a huge milestone. But seeing it evolve into native PhpStorm support is something I could only dream of.
Now it's built in, and that's what finally makes PhpStorm a recommended IDE for Laravel.
I'm super excited that PhpStorm is now including Laravel support out of the box for every developer. This is really great because it means that developers that install PhpStorm can be productive with Laravel from the moment they boot up the editor, which is something I'm super excited about.
For years, developers kept asking for out-of-the-box Laravel support in PhpStorm, and now it's finally here. And for a lot of artisans, this is the update they've been waiting for.
It opens the door for what's next. Integration with AI, Forge, Cloud, and our Laravel products. This is what we have on our roadmap. Together with the PhpStorm team, I will continue to brainstorm how to make the plugin even better, to deliver the best-in-class product. This story is just the beginning.